iOS 27 is here. And in this video, I'll show you how to install the developer beta on your iPhone for free. Let's go! First, before installing, back up your iPhone to your Mac or PC using Finder or the Apple Devices app. Do not rely on iCloud backup for this. Once you install the beta and it backs up automatically, your previous backup will be overwritten. A local backup on your computer keeps you safe if you need to go back to iOS 26. Now open Safari and go to developer.apple.com/register. Sign in with your Apple ID, completely free, no paid developer account needed, accept the agreement, and you're registered. After enrolling, restart your iPhone. Now go to Settings, General, Software Update, turn on Beta Updates, and select iOS 27 Developer Beta. Go back to Software Update, tap Download and Install, and you're done. If it's not showing up yet, Apple usually seeds it within an hour or two after the keynote. Just keep checking. Subscribe for more iOS 27 coverage and check the link in description to follow me everywhere.